Bom, pessoal, faremos uma breve introdução desse evento, do lançamento do filme produzido pela Afro-Brasilenk. A Afro-Brasilenk é uma empresa liderada por profissionais africanos no Brasil. Tem a estrutura mais completa para assessorar a comunicação de sua empresa com profissionais qualificados, com linguagem em inglês, francês e português e todos os recursos necessários para uma produção audiovisual eficiente e criativa. A Afro-Brasilenk também tem um recurso humano formado por modelos e atores africanos para trabalhar em suas produções, para a produção de vídeos institucionais, filmes, curtas-metragens, vídeos de treino, vídeos de segurança, documentário, comerciais de programas de TV, vídeos motivacionais, perfis de exposições, desenvolvimento de roteiro, descoberta e desenvolvimento de talentos, criação de projetos e elenco formado por modelos africanos, ou seja, uma produção completa.
As Vincent just said, Afro-Brazilian production company is led by African professionals based in Brazil. It has the most complete structure to advise the communication of your company with qualified English, French, and Portuguese-speaking professionals, and all the necessary resources for an efficient audiovisual production and creative. Afro-Brazilian also has a human resource made up of African models and actors to work on their productions. Production of institutional videos, films, short films, safety videos, documentaries, commercials and TV shows, motivational videos, culture, people and events, profiling and exhibition, development of script, creation of projects and casting formed by African models, talent, discovery and development. These are being of...
Bonsoir mesdames et messieurs, nous sommes ici pour parler d'Afro-Brasilenk. Ça, c'est une équipe de jeunes africaines qui travaillent avec des modèles, avec des acteurs. Ils sont légalisés au Brésil. Si vous avez besoin de détournage et tout, vous pouvez retrouver Afro-Brasilenk.
And today, I'm very, very happy to see this film coming up because those are the things that I personally expect we Nigerians to be doing, showing our culture in one way or the other, particularly through this film showing, when you have a way of communicating, presenting your people through film, through communication, video and audio communication, you'll be able to present your people the way they like. We have a lot of rich culture in Nigeria. We have a lot of many things that we need to show. And this tonight, I'm happy that part of this culture and tradition will be shown through this film. Today, I'm very happy to be here, to be part of this event. Eu vou falar um pouco aqui para algum brasileiro que não entende inglês. A gente está aqui no Brasil, a gente não pode ficar falando inglês toda hora. Como eu falar para você, meu nome é Otomar Adetunde Cameron. Eu sou presidente do Centro Africano aqui no Brasil e em décadas já está promovendo cultura e tradição africana aqui no Brasil durante muito tempo. Nós já fizemos muitas coisas. E meu irmão, que estava fazendo esse filme, para mim é um grande nome de felicidade para estar aqui. Vem ele mostrando nossa cultura através desse filme. Eu tenho certeza, através desse filme, a maioria das pessoas que estão escondidas, que não tem orgulho de nossa cultura. E cada um de nós precisa mostrar à sociedade brasileira, mundo inteiro, o que nós temos de bem na África. Isso apenas eu tenho certeza que cada um de nós também vai poder apresentar umas coisas ou outras para bem do nosso país, para bem do nosso continente, porque todos nós sabemos que outros pensam de nós, que nós somos traficantes, que nós somos pobres, nós somos lugar de doença. Isso que a imprensa mostra para a sociedade. E nós temos muito trabalhar para mostrar para o mundo que nós pode também. Yes, we can. Yes, momento para apresentar os atores que faz essa parte desse filme. E atores afro-brasileiros, primeiro, Antônia Toção. Antônio, por favor, pode aparecer aqui, Antônio. Próximo. Me ajuda, não trazer minha óculos aqui. Dom Wei, pode apresentar o Dom Wei aqui. Esta Elisa, Efiane, Nelson Efiane, Minas, Suban Silva, Chibuza Calvin, Suban Aimofan, Maísa Ellen, Valentim Adeli, Dari Ide, Gloria Ochá, William Lemos, Chidolfo Félix. Por favor, vamos dar um aplauso bem caloroso para esses grandes atores que estão junto com a gente, que daqui a pouco vai ter pelo grupo. Eu estou muito contente de estar com vocês e pode contar comigo em todos que você está fazendo. E qualquer outra pessoa também do grupo quer promover música, qualquer outras coisas, pode contar comigo. E hoje, para que a gente dá um grande apoio para eles, para esse trabalho bem feito.
Forever and ever. Give thanks and praise, Baba. You know, they never know. Badly, badly, badly. Madly, madly, madly. They need toughly, toughly, toughly. They want roughly, roughly, roughly. They want badly, badly, badly. They need madly, madly, madly. They want toughly, toughly, toughly. They need roughly, roughly, roughly. They need badly, badly, badly. They want madly, madly, madly. They need toughly, toughly, toughly. They want roughly, roughly, roughly. Respect. Area father, with a feather. You can ask about me. He no quarter, no the joke, no the play. I know the butter. I am the one who God bless your mind on me party. God, I'm already one who we won't quench that fire. God, make my fans feel liar. Then from dance on Messiah. I'm so the nether like Onkaya. I'm so the nether like Onkaya. Badly, badly, badly. Madly, madly, madly. They want toughly, toughy. They need roughly. They want badly. They need roughly. They want toughy. They need roughly. They want badly. This another number. We gon' make them run back. No, we taking over. No more pain, no more drama, hold this over. When they do my race, bless gonna be forever and ever. Give thanks and praise, Baba. You know, they never know. Badly. Madly. They need toughy. They want roughly. They want badly. They need madly. They want toughy. They need roughly. They need badly. They want madly. They need toughy. They want roughly. Respect. Area father, with a feather, you can ask about me. He no quarter, no the joke, no the play, I no the butter. I am the one who that blaze your mind on me party. Tell them who be the one who we won't quench that fire. Tell them make my fans feel liar. Then from down on Messiah. I'm so the nether like Onkaya. Badly. Respect. Madly. They want toughy. They need roughly. They want badly. They need roughly. They want toughy. They need roughly. They want badly. Yeah, man. When they do my race, bless gonna be forever and ever. Give thanks and praise, Baba.
Chama.
You never know.
Chama, Hey. Oh. Chama,
Ma,
Bring the food for me now. I'm hungry.
The food is almost done. Don't worry, I'm coming. You will see it now. I'm already.
Maybe you are in your phone, eh?
Ma.
Yeah. I told you every time you and phone. Bring food, you are delaying. How many minutes will it take you? Because you minute can walk at the end, you're not going to make me favor.
Let me bring you water for you.
If you like, go inside the phone and sleep there. Maybe
Hope the fufu is good, mommy.
this one is good. Today one is good.
Okay.
Concentrated well.
Mama,
Have you eaten your own?
Mama, don't worry. Please, it's not my program. Mama, sorry for disturbing you. There is what I want to discuss with you.
What is that? I hope it's not this talk you and Susan brought here yesterday. Because if it's that talk, I'm not ready to listen to you.
Mama.
You know I have been talking to you about this talk. You are trying on your best to convince me. If it's that talk, just forget it. Let me eat. Or you don't want me to eat the food?
Mommy, I want you to eat the food, but I've decided, though, if you don't want me, I've decided I'll do the travel on my own.
You have decided to do it on your own because you are the one that brought yourself to this world. You won't listen to your own mother. I said I don't want you to go. Choma, this guy you are talking about, you don't even know him. How many times will I tell you about this thing you are saying? Yesterday you brought your friend, You people did all you could to convince me I didn't agree. Yesterday they brought envelope here. The job we are looking for, praying and fasting, God brought that job. Choma, you want to leave that job?
Mom, wait, let me tell you. This Brazil that I'm going is more important. Remember how we have been suffering? Just give me this opportunity. When I get there, I will work hard, send money for you, bring you up. Even Mom, please.
Wait, let me tell you something. I have been suffering, and you are old like this. I took care of you with this suffering. I put you in the university with this suffering. You graduate.
Do you want us to continue suffering like
I
this?
cannot continue suffering.
Please
You can work in this country. You just got a letter of employment. Why can't you try this job?
Mom,
You want to go to Brazil?
I've decided.
Nobody. You don't have anybody there.
I've decided.
You have decided. If you have decided, that one is your own. As for me, I'm not interested. Get out of this place. Let me eat my food. The guy you are talking about, you don't know him. You don't know him. Every time phone, pim.
Mom, I've decided I'll do it.
Because look at these children. You want to come and kill me? Want to finish my life now? Leave me here and go there. No, because I don't know what you are talking about.
Eu não estou aqui para ensinar uma coisa, mas
on behalf of the Nigerian Embassy, Brasilia,
o embaixador da Nigéria em Brasília.